Students, we'll start with the 13.1 exercise. The first sum, we have got two cubes of volume 64 cubic centimeter, which are joined end to end. Okay, so using this volume of cube is 64, so you have to do cube root of 64, that is 4. So you get the length or the breadth, whatever you call, of the cube is 4 centimeter. Okay, when they join end to end, it becomes a cuboid. Okay, then so that's why you have to find the total surface area of a cuboid, where you have got length 8 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, and height also 4 centimeter. Okay, then the next sum, you have a vessel which is in form of hollow hemisphere, which is mounted on a hollow cylinder. So this is a hollow hemisphere mounted on a hollow cylinder. Okay, so first you have to find out the height of this cylinder. For that, the total height is 13 and the radius of this hemisphere is 7. Okay, this is the diameter. So you have to subtract 13 minus 7, that will be 6. That will give you the height of the cylinder. Okay, so after you get the height of the cylinder, then you have to use the formula, that is a total surface area of a cylinder. You have to calculate total surface the surface area of the hemisphere, and you have to just add them. That will give you the inner surface area of the vessel. Okay, so you have to calculate the surface area of this and surface area of this, and you just add them. Now the next, that is a third question, a toy in the form of cone which has got a hemisphere at the bottom. Okay, and you have to find the total surface area. This is exactly same as the example 1 of the textbook, which I have already discussed. Okay, so you can just refer to that. This is exactly same as that example. Okay, so now we go to the next sum. Okay, that is sum number 4. Now sum number 4 also is exactly same like the example 2 of your textbook, where you have a cube, on that you have a hemisphere. Okay, now we go to the next sum, that is sum. Again you have a cube where you have a hemisphere, but now this hemisphere is inside the cube. Okay, and you have to find out the total surface area. Here also, exactly like this sum, you have to find the surface area of this cube, you have to find the surface area of this hemisphere, and you have to subtract this surface area of this base of the hemisphere, that is a circle. Okay, so first you have to find out the surface area of cube plus the surface area of hemisphere minus the area of base, that is the area of circle. Okay, now next is a medicinal capsule, okay, which has got a cylinder, okay, and two hemispheres at the end, and you have to find out. Now this explanation is given on page number 240 of your textbook. You can refer to that first. I'll just very quickly explain to you. Here you have a cylinder, so first you have to calculate the area, so curved surface area of a cylinder. Then you have to add the curved surface area of this hemisphere and this hemisphere to this. Okay, for that you need the height first. Now the height is 14 centimeter, total height. Here you have the radius. Now the radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is given 5, so this will be 5 by 2. This is also 5 by 2. So this 5 by 2 you have to subtract from 14. Okay, so 14 minus 2 multiplied by 5 by 2, because you have got two radiuses. So that will give you the height of the cylinder, that is 9. Okay, so then you have to calculate the surface area of cylinder using 2 pi RH plus 2 multiplied by the surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Okay, that will give you the total surface area. We go to the next sum. The next sum, you have a tent, which is in shape of a cylinder, and it is a shape of a cone, and you have to find the total surface area. Here everything is given to you. The slant height is given to you, the height is given to you, the radius is given to you. Okay, so you have to just find out the surface area of the cylindrical part and surface area of the cone. Okay, so you can directly put everything is given, so you have to just put the values in the formula and just add this, and you will get the answer. But here you have to calculate the rate. So after getting this area, you have to multiply it by 400. Okay, 500, sorry. So 500 multiplied by 44, you will get the total amount. Okay, then we go to the next sum, that is where you have a solid cylinder. Okay, and then you have a conical cavity with the same height and same diameter, and you have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, so you have a cylinder where inside you have a conical depression inside. Okay, so for that, here what is given to you, you have been given a diameter, so the radius will be 0.7, and you are given height, so you have to find out the slant height L using these two values. Okay, so after you find out the slant height, then the total surface area will be surface area of this cylinder plus base area of the cylinder, that is circle, okay, plus the surface area of this cone. So three areas you have to find out, first of the cylinder, then of this circle, and then of this cone, and you have to add all the three. Okay, now next is a wooden article which is made from scooping out a hemisphere from the solid. Each you have got two hemispheres, okay, which have been scooped out of a cylinder, and you have to find a total surface area. For that, you have to first find out the surface area of this cylinder plus 2 multiplied by surface area of this hemispheres, curved surface area of this hemisphere, where you are given the height is 10 centimeter and radius is 3.5. okay, so here also all the values are given to you. You just have to put in this formula 2 pi rh plus 2 multiplied by 2 pi r square, that is the curved surface area of a cylinder plus 2 multiplied by curved surface area of the hemisphere. So directly you have to put it in this formula, okay, and you get the answer. Thank you.